Dear friends, I am Harsha Guntala from Belzo TV. Today I have come with a beautiful small letter of a child who is very poor and studying in 7th standard. Dear friends, he has few questions in his mind and in his heart, for which he wants to ask solutions to the God Almighty. That why so many questions? Why it is like this? First of all, he is writing a letter to God Almighty with address to Him. It is in this way. The name he is writing as Bhagwan Ishwar Das Paramatma. Then that student of 7th standard is writing the address of Lord. The God as per him is with shell and chakra. His location is heaven, opposite Narka, opposite hell. According to him, God Almighty is among cloud and real post is sky. This way he is writing address to God Almighty. He is giving his small introduction to God, saying that God, my Papa is working in a small grocery shop. He is doing very hard work. And my mom is doing the work at different houses, and she is too doing hard work. Child saying that God, my parents don't know why they are sending me to the school. But I believe that because of free meal and fees, they must be sending me for 5 hours to the school. God Almighty, my school is quite nearby, at a very little distance from your divine temple, that is government school, and I am studying in that school. Child says, God, I have few questions for you. So my first question is that God, you are sitting in a beautiful marble temple with air condition, and I am going to a school. It's a government school, but my school has no shed. It doesn't have even roof, and due to which in every rainy season I have to sit becoming wet. Why it is like that? Child has another question for God, that Almighty, He is putting this way that God, for you, for your lunch, have so many different varieties, all tasty, beautiful items to eat for you. In my government school, which doesn't have shed, I get only a fistful rice. And I have to satisfy myself with only that much of rice and go home with empty stomach. Why it is like that, God? I want a reply for my these questions. Child is asking that. Third question. The 7th standard child says, God, for you such a beautiful apparels, you wear nice, expensive, shining clothes. And my small sister is wearing torn frock on which there is nobody to attach a small piece of cloth to hide that torn. God, why it is like that? Why? Child says, as per his 4th question, that God, we have made you, and still you are having such a beautiful clothes, tasty food, air-conditioned temple, everything you have. You look so satisfied and peaceful on your face. Though you are made by us, but we are made by you. I am your child. Even if you feel bad, I want to ask this. I am your child, and still why I am so unhappy? Why I don't have stomach full food? Why my parents have to work so hard? Why my sister has no proper frock to wear? Why? I want to have answers for my all these questions. Child says, God, I have come to know from my teachers that you always listen if it is fact, if it's a real story. And it is my real story which I have explained you. So you have to reply me my questions. You think over. Now, still one more thing I request you, God. I want to study a lot. I want to become a doctor. But my parents don't have fees to pay for my school. Is it possible for you that you give me your one-day donation? With that I can study my whole life. Please do that much for me, God. Please do that much. My last reply to you is that in the morning I every day go to school, but in the evening I come to your temple every day. I am not coming to see you, God. I am not coming to see you. I am coming just to watch your wealthy life. Yes, I only come to see your wealthy life. Audience, I would like to say that. Do you think God will reply this small 7th standard child all the questions? I don't think. So I request you, audience, please, if you have answers of this child's all questions, you please reply him. You please reply.